Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm dyeing my hair. My cousin's doing it and I'm really excited. If you didn't see my last video on dyeing my hair, it didn't really turn out the way I wanted it to, which is fine. This is like the color it lifted to, so I'm really hoping it lifts to a blonde and not brown still. So yeah, I'm dyeing my hair and I'm really excited. Before I get into this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow my Instagram. It will be right here. And yeah, let's get right into this video. Just realizing as I'm editing this that this video is like 30 seconds long, so sorry about that. Oh my god! Now, this is what I meant in my last video when I said I wanted to go blonde. Oh my god. I did not think I would get this blonde on the second try. Shout out to my cousin Nicole, you're the best. I feel like Hannah Montana. Filming this after I took all my makeup off, but if you're wondering what I got done to my hair, I got a full head of highlights. I got one previously and it didn't really lift, but this one did. Oh my god. Okay, that is it for this video. I know it was short, but I just wanted to show you guys my new hair. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that is it. I will see you in my next video.